So the CEO mindset versus the employee mindset. Now, I'm not knocking anyone who has a full-time job. I was there. Okay. Sometimes I even think about like some months ago, I was thinking like, what would it be like if I just went back to work? And I was like, my husband told me, as soon as you get on the road to go to work in that traffic, you're gonna rethink everything. And I was like, honey, you are so right. So let me get up here and do this video. Okay. But even when you are working your business, there is a mindset shift that has to happen. There is a CEO mindset and there is an employee mindset. And if you've worked for someone for probably most of your life, most of us have the employee mindset where there's this CEO mindset that is just tapping. Like you want to start your business. Like you know that little whisper, right? You want to start your business. You really want to do this, but you just don't believe in yourself. So what I want to do is share with you what is the CEO mindset and what the employee mindset looks like. So the CEO mindset is a visionary, a dreamer, an innovator. They live in the future, they crave control and change, and they have an idea for driving their business. Now take that in. Visionary, dreamer, innovator, lives in the future, always thinking about the next level, craves control, not in a negative way, but craves the control of their own destiny. And they want to see change and they know that they can make that change for themselves. And they have an idea for driving business. Now, the employee mindset is where most of us are the most comfortable. The employee mindset is where we were taught from elementary all through college or vocational school, whatever, to be an employee, right? To be the doer, the tinkerer, right? The person who's always doing something. They live in the present, always working in the present. Like, I got to get this, I got to do this, I have to have this done, right? They like to immerse themselves in the nuts and bolts. They're disinterested in the grand vision. They're not really interested in the systems to put things to work. And they they have the idea of execution. Now let me give y'all the real on this one. This was me. I am a doer. I get things done. I still get things done. But I have to really sit down with myself to be the visionary. My husband is the visionary, right? He is out there. We talk about one plan and he's already 5 years out, right? Me, I'm like, come on, roll it back in because we need to get these things done. I am a doer, but I have to put my CEO mindset hat on to plan for what's going on in my business, the 5 year, the 1 year. You know, when I first was in this employee mindset, it was difficult for me to forecast for the 1 year out. What will my business look like? What will be the promotions that I need to do? Right? What type of content am I going to drop? I had to actually make the shift and physically move myself into the CEO mindset. And for some of us who are doers, that is what we're gonna have to do. Sometimes that means mean that you might have to shift yourself into a different spot, in a different location. I realized that I could not work sitting on the couch. I had to physically be in my office doing work as if I was a CEO, right? So I had to fake it till I make it, right? So I had to do that work. I had to do that. And if that's for you, that's the shift that you need to do, then that's what you want to think about as well. Okay. So again, there's the CEO mindset, who's the dreamer, the innovator, who thinks out in the future, and then there's the employee mindset, right? The doer, the tinkerer, always in execution mode, right? And again, I just want to say this is neither one. All right, the employee mindset is not bad. The employee mindset is going to get you to get the things done when you are a solo entrepreneur, okay? But you're going to have to also put the CEO mindset on the hat, right? To plan out. And sometimes this can be overwhelming, right? I'm feeling some of the energy that's coming through right now. This might be a little overwhelming because you're just really like, look, it's enough for me to plan for the week. But you're telling me to plan for a whole year, to plan for the whole 5 years? Yes, I am. If we really want to reach our money goals and release these unlimited beliefs that we have about money, we've got to get a little uncomfortable. just a tad bit. That's all I'm asking you to be is get a tad bit uncomfortable, okay? And I'm gonna share with you how you can do this in the easiest, simplest way possible, okay?